This is lecture number 8, paper number EL5503, unit 3, wave analyzer and harmonic distortion. Last time, lecture number 7, we discussed about the total harmonic distortion. This total harmonic distortion, it is also known as distortion factor. It is denoted by capital D and it is equal to under root of d2 square plus d3 square plus d4 square, like this up to n. This is our equation A. We know that in last lecture the operational characteristics of the receiver and communication system are determined by measuring the various parameters such as spectral purity of the carrier wave, spectral power distribution of the amplitude or frequency modulated wave, signal distortion and the system signal to noise ratio. Such analysis is provided by a wave analyzer, distortion analyzer, spectrum analyzer and the digital Fourier analyzer. Now we are discussing about the basic wave analyzer. Basic wave analyzer. This basic wave analyzer is built up with the LC circuit and there is a rectifier circuit plus there is a voltmeter. This voltmeter, it is nothing but it is your indicating device. With the help of these three circuits, we can build a basic wave analyzer. The circuit diagram is looks like this. The circuit diagram is looks like this. This is your circuit diagram of basic wave analyzer. Whatever the input signal we are applying here, this is your capacitor, this is your inductor, that means this is your LC circuit in the input side. This is your primary detector. In the output side, this is nothing but it is your full wave rectifier circuit. You know that this is your rectifier circuit. Rectifier circuit means it only pass DC block AC. It block the AC component and pass only DC component. So in the output side, we are using here indicating device. That means this is our voltmeter. This is plus and minus sign given here. That means this is our DC voltmeter connecting here. Now from the figure, it consists of the primary detector, which is a simple LC circuit like this. This is your capacitor C, this is your LC. This LC circuit is adjusted for resonance at the frequency of particular harmonic component to be measured. So with the help of this circuit, primary circuit, it is nothing but it is adjusted for resonance at the frequency of particular harmonic component that we want to measure. So I repeat, this LC circuit is adjusted for a resonance at the frequency of the particular harmonic component to be measured. The intermediate stage is a full wave rectifier. So this is our full wave rectifier circuit. This is nothing but it is our full wave rectifier circuit. This is for the purpose of to obtain the average value of the input signal. The purpose is to obtain the average value of component, or we can say that average value of the input signal. The indicating device is a simple DC voltmeter. See here, this is your indicating device. It is a simple voltmeter. This shows the voltage of the output. That means this is your DC voltmeter. That's why here we are using plus and minus sign. This is your minus sign, this is your plus sign. In the voltmeter there is a plus minus sign. That means this is nothing but it is our voltmeter, DC voltmeter. Since the LC circuit is tuned to a single frequency, it passes only the frequency to which it is tuned and reject all the other frequency. Whatever the frequency that this LC circuit is tuned, the output is pass only this frequency and reject all the other frequency component. A number of tuned filters connected to the indicating device through a selector switch. So there is a number of tuned filters connected to the indicating device through a selector switch. It would be required for a useful wave analyzer. That's all. So this is our very basic wave analyzer. The function is simple. Whatever the frequency that we want to tune the circuit, we are selecting the value of capacitor here. This is your inductor. Input signal is given. So whatever the frequency the resonance takes place, we are selecting this tuned value of the frequency. We tune the primary detector circuit and it pass only this tuned frequency component, and with the help of rectifier circuit there is a output side, there is a indicating device. This indicating device is nothing but it is your DC voltmeter. So this is DC voltmeter, so we are putting here positive negative sign, and this shows us the peak value of the voltage that we are getting at the output side. Thank you.